Brand new from Arrma today, we've got the TLR Typhon RTR 6S Race and Bash Buggy. Arrma came out with the TLR Typhon roller probably about a year ago now, and it's been pretty popular, at least in the basher community. I picked up one of those rollers when they first came out, and I was really impressed with it. I know the low-C parts on it are supposed to be for racing, but they represent a real increase in quality over the stock Arrma bits that are on the normal Typhon. Today, to add to that roller, they're coming out with an RTR. This RTR is going to come with the standard suite of 6S Spectrum electronics that you would get in any of the normal 6S vehicles. It's got the 150 amp ESC, Metal Gear servo, 2050 kV motor, and a Spectrum receiver and transmitter. Before we talk about the details of this new model, I want to thank everybody who has subscribed recently. Got a lot of new subscribers to this channel. Want to let you guys know I really appreciate it. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and get subscribed now. Got a lot of really awesome stuff coming up. Lots of news and reviews, bashing, crashing, and upgrades. You're not going to want to miss it. So get subscribed, hit that bell to get notified. Taking a closer look at the TLR Typhon, if you're not familiar with it, this is Arrma's race spec Typhon, and the upgrades it includes over the stock Typhon are an upgraded 7075 aluminum chassis, upgraded A, B, C, and D blocks, 7075 towers, upgraded shocks with different pistons in them, a wing, a bunch of tuning parts, and a few other nice to have. In my opinion, this basically represents the Typhon EXB with better aluminum. From what I've seen online and from the TLR Typhon that I've had, people don't really bend these shocks or this chassis very much, and at least in my experience, the EXB chassis and shock towers tend to bend pretty easily. I think with the TLR name on these components, they're a little bit higher quality than the EXB line. This RTR version is going to be coming in at over $200 more than the roller version, and whether or not this is a good thing for you probably depends on whether or not you like Spectrum electronics. Personally, I'm not sure the value's there. Yes, you're going to spend more money to put your own electronics in this, but it's not going to be a lot more money, and you can put better electronics in. The Spectrum 150 amp ESC that comes with this doesn't have the best reputation. That being said, this is a pretty light car, so it'd probably do fine in here. It really seems to struggle in the heavier cars that they put this in. I really like the body that they have with this car, though. The old pink and purple body was really cool, but I like this new color scheme, and I think a lot of other people are going to as well. So what do you guys think? Do you think this TLR Typhon, top of the line, EXB-ish car is going to be worth $629 RTR? Do you think this is a better value over the roller? I'd really like to hear your opinion on it. All right, this thing's available for pre-order right now. It's $629 on Horizon's site. If you're interested, go pick yourself up one. That's all we have for today. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.